Good morning, students. Let's begin chapter 9. Today's topic is concept and exercise 9.1. Students, let's start the differential equations. Okay. So, first of all, definition of differential equations. Okay. So, in general, an equation involving derivative or derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, okay, is called differential equation. A differential equation involving derivative of dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable is called an ordinary differential equation. Okay, if there is more than one independent variable, then this type of differential equation is known as partial differential equation. But in this chapter we will study only about ordinary differential equations. Okay, it means the independent variable is only one. Okay, now some example. Suppose it is 2 into d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx whole cube is equal to 0 is an ordinary differential equation. Okay. Now, order of a differential equation. So, order of a differential equation is defined as order of highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable involved in a given differential equations. It means how many times we are getting the derivative of a dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So now consider the following differential equation. It is dy upon dx is equal to e raised to x. It means there is only one times derivative of y with respect to x. Here y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. Okay, and this equation is of order 1. Now more example. It is d square y upon dx square plus y is equal to 0, d cube y upon dx cube plus x square into d square y upon dx square whole cube is equal to 0. Okay, so in this equations highest derivative of the previous equation is of first order. Okay, it is equation of second order and this is the third order differential equation. Okay, and order of these equations are 1, 2, 3 respectively. Okay, in this equation students, see, we are getting 2 times derivative of y. Okay, so order is 2 of this equation and here see, it is d square y upon dx square and but it is d cube y upon dx cube. It means it is 3 times derivative of y with respect to x. We have to take the highest derivative. Okay, so here order of this equation is 3. Okay, now move for the degree of a differential equation. Now move for the degree of differential equation. To study the degree of differential equation, the key point is that differential equation must be polynomial equation. Okay, in derivatives, that is y dash means dy upon dx, y double dash means d square y upon dx square, y triple dash it means d cube y upon dx cube. Okay, consider following differential equation. Okay, it is d cube y upon dx cube plus 2 into d square y upon dx square whole square minus dy upon dx plus y is equal to 0. Okay, this is the next equation, dy upon dx whole square plus dy upon dx minus sin square y is equal to 0. Next is here it is dy upon dx plus sin into dy upon dx is equal to 0. We observe that equation 9, this one, okay, is a polynomial equations in y triple dash, y double dash and y dash. Here it is d cube y upon dx cube, it is a y triple dash. It is 2y double dash whole square and dy upon dx means y dash. Okay, polynomial equations in y dash. And equation 10 means this equation is a polynomial equation in y dash, not a polynomial in y. So, degree of such differential equations can be defined, but equation this 11 is not a polynomial equation in y dash, and degree of such differential equation can't be defined. Okay, so by degree of differential equation, when it is polynomial equation in derivatives, we mean the highest power of highest order derivative, means highest power of highest order derivative involved in the given differential equation. So students, the degree of this equation, okay, it is 2. Okay, since here highest order derivative is dy upon dx and power of highest power of this is 2. So order of this equation is 2 and this is the not a polynomial. Okay, so here we cannot find the degree in this equation. Okay, highest order, it means it is 3 times derivative of y. So highest order is dqy upon dx cube, and now highest power of this order is 1 only. So here degree of this 1, order is 3. Okay, order 3 and degree 1. By a degree of a differential equation, when it is polynomial equation in derivative, we mean the highest power, okay, of the highest order derivative involved in the given differential equation. We view the above definition. One may observe that differential equations 6, 7, 8 and 9 each are of degree 1. Okay, equation 10 is of degree 2, while the degree of differential equation 11 is not defined. Now, order and degree of a differential equation are always a positive integer. Okay. Now solve some questions related to concept, order and degree. First, exercise 9.1, determine order and degree of the differential equation given in the exercise 1 to 10. First question, d raise 4y upon dx cube plus sign, here it is y triple dash is equal to 0. The given differential equation is this, the order of the highest order derivative 4. Okay, given differential equation, it is not a polynomial. So here degree is not defined. Okay, order is 4 but degree is not defined. Okay, now move for the next question. Now see, it is y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Here students, order of the highest order derivative, it is dy upon dx. So order is 1. Now degree of the highest derivative is 1. It means that power. Okay, here nothing is given. It means it's 1. So here order is 1 and degree is also 1. Next question student, it is ds by dt whole power 4 plus 3s t square s by dt square is equal to 0. So order of highest order derivative is 2. So here order is 2. Okay, and degree is 1. We have to see the highest order derivative. We have to see the power of this only. Okay, don't consider this 4. Here, since the highest order derivative is d square s by dt square, now we have to see the power of this highest order derivative. So here it is 1 only. So order is 2 and degree is 1. Okay, don't see this and don't write this that it is the 4. We have to take the highest order derivative only. Next question. Question number 4. It is d square y upon dx square whole square plus cos. Here dy upon dx is equal to 0. Okay. So order of the highest order derivative is 2. Now see here it is d square y upon dx square and here it is dy upon dx. So greater is d square y upon dx square. So order is 2. And now for the degree, here degree is not defined since it is not a polynomial, okay, in its derivative. Question number 5. D square y upon dx square is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. So differential equation, order of highest order derivative is 2 and degree is 1 here. So order is 2, degree is 1. Since here student see whole power of this is 1 only. Okay. And with cos x or sin 3x there is no dy upon dx is given. So it is a polynomial equation. Okay. In the previous question you observe that where dy upon dx is given with a sign. So it was not a polynomial equation of derivative. Question number 6. It is y triple dash whole square plus y double dash cube plus y dash whole power 4 plus y raised 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So now see student here highest order of highest order derivative is 3. Okay. So order is 3 and degree is 2. We have to see now power of this highest order derivative. Okay. So here order is 3 and degree is 2. Now move for the question number 7. Okay, it is y triple dash plus 2 into y double dash plus y dash is equal to 0. It's clear students, here highest order derivative is y triple dash. So order is 3 and degree is 1 since power of this is 1 only. Okay. Now move for the question number 8. Here it is y dash plus y is equal to e raised to x. Okay. So here order of this highest order derivative is 1 and degree is also 1. Since there is no power is given, it means it is 1 only. Now move for the question number 9. Here it is y double dash plus y dash whole square plus 2y is equal to 0. Now see here order is 2 and degree is 1. Since it is y double dash, it means d square y upon dx square, 2 times derivative of y with respect to x. So order is 2 and degree is 1. Okay. So given differential equation is of order to degree 1. Question number 10. Y double dash plus 2 into y dash plus sin y is equal to 0. Here order of the highest order derivative is 2 and okay, degree of highest order derivative is 1. So order 2 and degree 1. Now question number 11. Degree of the differential equation. Okay, you have to find only degree. So here student, degree, you see that it is not a polynomial equation. Polynomial in its derivative and its degree is not defined. So answer is D. Question number 12. Find the order of the differential equation. Okay. So here order of this, it is 2. Since there is 2 times derivative of y with respect to x. So answer is 2 on. Okay. Option A is the correct answer.